Welcome to Golden Age Goddess Guides. Today, let's debunk some myths surrounding sexuality in women over 50. Contrary to common belief, age doesn't always equate to a decline in sexual satisfaction. In fact, many women in this age group feel more confident and comfortable in their bodies, leading to enhanced intimacy and pleasure. One significant advantage is that the risk of unintended pregnancy significantly decreases after menopause, relieving the stress and anxiety associated with contraception during sexual activity. For women over 50, extended anticipation through sensual foreplay can be a key element in igniting passion and desire. Without the distraction of potential pregnancy, they can fully immerse themselves in the physical and emotional experience. While younger women may need more vigorous stimulation, the gradual build-up allowed by menopause can lead to deeper, more intense orgasms for women over 50. This liberation from unintended pregnancy concerns allows for a more relaxed and explorative sexual experience. However, safe sex practices are still crucial, as women over 50 are at a higher risk of developing sexually transmitted infections due to age-related changes in natural lubrication and thinning of vaginal walls. Emotional and psychological factors play a pivotal role in influencing sexual desire and arousal for women over 50. While the frequency of sexual activity may decrease with age, it's the quality of intimate experiences and emotional connection that truly matter. By focusing on building closeness, exploring new positions, toys with their partner, and making each sensual moment count, women can continue to enjoy profoundly fulfilling and satisfying sexual experiences well into their later years. Lesson: hormonal changes during menopause may lead to uncomfortable vaginal dryness, but there are fantastic water-based lubricants available to enhance comfort and pleasure during sex. Remember, size isn't everything. Communication, passion, and an attentive lover are key. Mature women often exude remarkable self-assurance, dedicating quality time to emotional and physical intimacy, strengthening their romantic bond and mutual satisfaction. If a man is experiencing erectile issues, it's important to examine lifestyle factors. Are you getting enough quality sleep? Have you gained weight? Smoking cigarettes can also negatively impact sexual health. Remember, the physiological command to ejaculate doesn't originate in the brain, but is actually a reflex response triggered by signals from the spinal cord. As we age, open communication about needs and desires becomes paramount in the bedroom. Don't be afraid to guide your partner, explore new erogenous zones, or incorporate toys, lubricants to keep things exciting. Sexuality is a journey, not a destination. Keep that spark alive by prioritizing intimacy, romance, and adventure. Thank you for joining us at Golden Age Goddess Guides, where we empower women to joyfully embrace their vibrant sexuality at every stage of life's journey. Through education and open dialogue, we can shed antiquated myths and explore intimacy through a thrilling new lens of confidence, passion, and pleasure.